It's time. We are finally taking the heads off because the gaskets have finally arrived. I'm not gonna show you guys how to do this, but what I need to do is put the engine in timing. All right. So everything is in timing right now. We had to cheat the system. It might fuck up the engine, but who cares? It'll still run. So we have both cams timed up right about here, right about there. We got the crank timed up. This little notch goes to this little dot in the back. So now what we're gonna finally do, take the cams off, or take the head off. Everything's coming off, cause what do we got, Casey, coming in? He don't even know. He don't know. Take two. What do we got coming in?
Cams. What? Cams.
No, fool.
Gaskets.
No, fool. Oh, close.
Head gaskets.
There you go. Okay. He's still learning. He's still learning. All right, so.
Put some cams on.
Fuck no, then it got to be tuned. I'm not doing all that. So, I'm not gonna show you how to take all this shit off because it's a hassle stopping and telling you. But basically, everything is coming off. I got all the tools to take out all the bolts, the head bolts and all that stuff. And then we have ARP head studs coming in. And I would like to clean up all the gunk that's in here as well. So we're gonna go super fast and do this real quick.
Just do it!
The heads are finally off. Maybe this weekend we will be putting the head gaskets and everything back on. That's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out soon. I'm sorry that it was nothing but time lapse, but we had to do what we had to do to get it off. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog.
Virgin. He said, too. It's the